starting your coding journey.
Learning to code has never been more accessible. Whether you're switching careers or just curious, countless free resources are designed for beginners. These platforms offer step-by-step tutorials, interactive exercises, and supportive communities, helping you build confidence as you start your programming adventure.
Codecademy and freeCodeCamp.
Academy offers free interactive lessons in popular languages like Python, JavaScript, and HTML. freeCodeCamp features a project-based curriculum paced for beginners with thousands of coding challenges and real-world projects. Both platforms are community-driven and offer certificates upon completion of certain tracks.
Coursera, edX, and OpenClassrooms.
Platforms like Coursera, edX, and OpenClassrooms partner with universities to offer well-structured coding courses. You can audit many introductory classes for free. These courses often include video lectures, exercises, and discussion forums, giving you a solid foundation and a taste of computer science's academic side.
YouTube and coding channels.
YouTube hosts countless beginner-friendly coding tutorials. Popular channels like The Net Ninja, Programming with Mosh, and Traversy Media break down concepts using clear visual explanations. From basics to full projects, these channels can be a great supplement to hands-on learning.
Interactive coding practice.
Sites like HackerRank, LeetCode, and CodeWars let you practice coding skills with real-world problems. Their beginner sections walk you through common challenges and provide instant feedback. This hands-on approach helps reinforce what you've learned and builds problem-solving skills fast.
Choosing the best path.
Everyone learns differently. Try several resources to find what suits you best. Mix step-by-step tutorials, video lessons, and practical challenges to keep learning engaging. Make use of online forums for support, and remember, consistency is the key to becoming a confident, self-taught coder.